Ever wondered what it was like to be a true pioneer of rock and roll? Little Richard didn't just make music, he transformed pop culture with his wild energy and bold style. But his journey wasn't just about fame. Behind the flashing lights, he battled addiction, faced a segregated industry, and confronted personal struggles that shaped his legacy. What happened to Little Richard's wealth after years of exploitation? What secrets lie within his abandoned Tennessee home? You won't believe the truth behind his rise to stardom and tragic end. Don't miss out on this mind-blowing story, because once you know the full truth, you'll never hear rock and roll the same way again. The untold story of Little Richard. In the world of rock and roll, there are legends, and then there's Little Richard. His name resonates with the pulse of a generation. His music, his style, his untamed persona, forever shaping the trajectory of popular culture. But behind the flashes of stardom, Little Richard's life was one of pain, struggle, and untold stories. Join us on a journey through the life, battles, and incredible legacy of the one and only Little Richard. The rise of a revolutionary icon. Richard Wayne Penniman, born on December 5, 1932, in Macon, Georgia, was destined to change the world. The name Little Richard would become synonymous with the birth of rock and roll, but the journey to immortality didn't come easy. In 1955, Richard's iconic hit Tutti Frutti exploded onto the scene, forever altering the landscape of music. Yet behind the revolutionary sound was a young artist with little more than raw talent and an unwavering drive. At a time when Black musicians were often exploited, Little Richard faced the harsh reality of an industry that profited from his brilliance, yet didn't compensate him fairly. Struggles and sacrifices in the music industry. Little Richard's early career was marked by exploitation and deceit. His contract with Specialty Records in 1955 granted him a meager upfront payment of $50 for his song Tutti Frutti and a tiny royalty of half a cent per copy sold, while white artists received far more substantial payouts. As the years went on, Richard's battle for his rights intensified. He faced unfair treatment, with royalties for his groundbreaking music often bypassing him entirely, landing in the pockets of publishers and labels. Yet even in the face of exploitation, Richard's legacy was cemented. His electrifying performances, filled with energy and charisma, inspired future rock legends like Paul McCartney and Mick Jagger. Little Richard's net worth. Despite his monumental impact on rock and roll, Little Richard's financial struggles continued throughout his life. By the time of his death in 2020, his estimated net worth stood at $40 million, a reflection of his perseverance. However, legal battles, lawsuits, and underpaid royalties painted a darker picture. In 1984, Little Richard filed a $115 million lawsuit against Specialty Records, ATV Music Corporation, and Venice Music. The legal fight, coupled with settlements that fell far short of what he was owed, meant that much of the wealth from his revolutionary music remained out of his reach. Yet even after years of litigation, his financial struggles didn't overshadow the profound impact his music had on the world. Inside the icon's home and estate, behind the music and the controversies, lay a home in Tennessee that bore the marks of Little Richard's unique personality. Little Richard's former residence in Lynchburg, Tennessee, was a sprawling property that reflected both his boldness and his complexity. The house, now valued at $1.75 million, was a two-in-one space, one side understated, the other drenched in vibrant colors. The house holds memories and traces of a man who lived as boldly in his personal space as he did on stage. The property was bought and renovated by a local investor, Joey Quick, who transformed the estate into a lasting tribute to the rock icon, preserving its distinctive features while adding new touches to reflect Richard's legacy. Childhood and early life. Richard's roots lay deep in the segregated South, where he grew up in poverty, surrounded by the harsh realities of the time. Born into a large family in Mon, Georgia, Richard's early life was defined by both the warmth of family and the brutal prejudice of the era. He was raised in a deeply religious household, with his mother being a devout member of the New Hope Baptist Church. Music was the lifeline that kept him grounded during the hardest of times. The soulful gospel hymns he learned from his church would go on to shape his music, adding a spiritual depth to his rock and roll persona. Breaking through to fame. It wasn't until Richard ventured beyond his hometown that he began to see his music career take off. He honed his craft, joining various bands and learning from the greats. His influence began to grow, but it was the energy and passion he brought to the stage that truly set him apart. He was a force to be reckoned with, mixing flamboyance, gospel, and R&B into a sound that was unlike anything the world had heard before. His first major hit, Tutti Frutti, became an instant sensation, reaching the top of the charts and earning Richard his place in music history. Yet despite the success, his personal life was in turmoil. Struggling with issues of identity, sexuality, and the pressure of fame, Little Richard's path was anything but easy. Personal struggles and identity. Little Richard's life was marked by internal conflict. He wrestled with his sexuality, facing rejection and harsh treatment from his father and society. His relationship with both men and women, as well as his experiences in the rock and roll scene, reflected his complex understanding of identity. His early life was filled with moments of self-discovery, including his experimentation with drag and the support of friends who helped shape his look and persona. Yet it wasn't until much later that Richard embraced his faith as a way to reconcile the conflicting aspects of his life. His journey of self-acceptance was deeply intertwined with his spirituality, which would ultimately guide him through the darkest chapters of his life. Addiction and redemption. By the 1960s, Little Richard found himself battling addiction. He became known for his intense drug and alcohol use, which affected both his career and his personal life. At one point, he was spending up to $1,000 a day on drugs, and his descent into addiction took a toll on his mental and physical health. However, after a series of personal tragedies, including the loss of his brother and close friends, Richard turned to religion for solace. His faith became his anchor, leading him to give up drugs and alcohol and return to his evangelical roots. The last years of a legend. Even in his later years, Little Richard remained a vibrant figure in music, though health issues began to affect his ability to perform. His final years were marked by both physical challenges and spiritual fulfillment. Richard continued to perform, albeit at a slower pace, and remained active in his faith, officiating weddings and spreading messages of love and unity. Little Richard passed away on May 9, 2020, at the age of 87, leaving behind a profound legacy. His death was met with tributes from some of the biggest names in music, a testament to the lasting impact he had on the world. The legacy of Little Richard. Little Richard wasn't just a rock and roll icon. He was a trailblazer, a pioneer, and a man who defied all odds to make his mark on history. From his groundbreaking music to his complex personal journey, Richard's story is one of perseverance, triumph, and transformation. His influence continues to be felt, not just in music, but in the very fabric of popular culture. Little Richard's legacy is a testament to the power of authenticity, and his impact on the world will never be forgotten. Thank you for joining us on this mind-expanding journey through the life of Little Richard. His legacy continues to shape the very essence of rock and roll. But did you know just how much of his story remains untold? The struggles, the triumphs, the battle for what he deserved. Little Richard's life was far more complex than his image as the architect of rock and roll. As we explored his legendary career, his personal turmoil, and the battles he fought both on and off stage, we uncovered a hidden narrative that few people truly know. In our next video, we'll take you inside the abandoned mansion of another iconic figure, Sammy Davis Jr. You'll discover not only the secrets behind his secluded home, but also the shocking details of his net worth at the time of his passing, and the heartbreaking tragedy that defined his final days. Trust us, you won't want to miss it. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you're always the first to uncover these untold stories. You won't want to miss the shocking revelations that are coming your way. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one.